Today we are learning about square roots. Please copy the standard Venn-trig indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will investigate and describe concepts of perfect squares and square roots. Vocabulary. Square is the product of a number and itself. For example, 3 times 3 equals 3 squared, which equals 9. A number is a perfect square if it is the square of a whole number. So 9 is a perfect square because it's 3 times 3. The square root symbol looks like the division house, except it has the little check mark in front of it. So you can see it over the 16 right there. So that means the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 equals 16. When you find the two equal factors of a number, you will find the square root. Find the square of each of these numbers. So 5 squared, we know that means 5 times 5, which gives us 25. For number 2, we have 6 times 6, which equals 36. For number 3, we have 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which equals 16. Then for 4, we have 8 squared, which is 8 times 8, which equals 64. Find the square root of each of the numbers. So the square root is the number times itself that gets us the number that's inside the house. So the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. For 6, we want the square root of 100, and we know that 10 times 10 equals 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. For number 7, we have the square root of 49. We know that 7 times 7 gets us 49. So 7 is the square root of 49. Finally, for 8, we have the square root of 81, and we know that 9 times 9 equals 81. So the square root of 81 is 9. Please make sure you've copied down all of the work and glue this page in your math notebook.